What's up everybody, it's Marty here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: how to make the most money when selling your home. Now I know what you're thinking, renovations equal big bucks, but trust me, you don't need to drain your bank account to increase your home's value. We're talking about strategic, budget-friendly renovations that can make a huge difference come sale time. Think of it like this: small investments, big returns. So whether you're planning to sell tomorrow or in 5 years, these 10 tips will have you saying cha-ching when that offer comes in. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk curb appeal. This is the first thing potential buyers see, and we all know how important first impressions are. You want them pulling up to your house thinking, okay, this is nice, think about it. You're scrolling through houses online and bam, one catches your eye. Why? It's probably got that clean, well-maintained look. Freshly mowed lawn, maybe some flowers, you know the vibe. That's the power of curb appeal. It's not about major overhauls, it's about making your house look inviting and well cared for. Trust me, a little effort goes a long way. And here's the kicker: homes with strong curb appeal can actually sell for up to 10% more. You heard that right, 10%. So, tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you notice when you pull up to a house? Now I know what you're thinking, landscaping, flowers, got it. But what about the mailbox? And you know what? You're absolutely right to ask. You might not think a mailbox is a big deal, but it's one of those small details that can actually make a difference. A rusty, dented mailbox, not a good look. A fresh coat of paint or even a brand new mailbox? Now you're talking. Remember, it's all about that first impression. You want potential buyers to see that you've put thought and care into every aspect of your home, even the little things. And who knows, maybe that sleek new mailbox will be the thing that pushes them over the edge. Okay, we've tackled curb appeal, now let's move on to another crucial element, the front door. This is literally the entryway to your home, so it needs to make a statement. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to make a big impact. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, and if you're feeling really ambitious, consider replacing the entire door. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, paint? Really? Yes, really. A new color can completely transform the look and feel of your entryway. And get this, a new front door can recoup up to 90% of its cost at resale. That's right, 90%. Plus, if you paint it black, it might even boost your home's value by an extra $6,000. Who knew a door could have such power? So, we've established that the front door is a pretty big deal. But here's a fun question: if you could paint your front door any color, what would it be? Now I'm not talking about some crazy, out there color that would scare away potential buyers. I'm talking about a color that reflects your personal style while still being appealing to a wide range of tastes. Maybe you're a classic navy blue kind of person, or perhaps you prefer a bolder hue like emerald green. Whatever your style, there's a perfect front door color out there for you, so let me know in the comments, what color would you choose for your dream front door? Don't be shy, get creative! And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, maybe even lime green could work. Or maybe not. Alright guys, nothing screams dated like old tired paint. But don't worry, we're not talking about a bank account draining paint job. A fresh coat of paint, especially in neutral colors, can transform a space. Imagine that same room painted a crisp white or light gray. Suddenly the space feels bigger, brighter, and more inviting. It's like giving your house a facelift for a fraction of the cost. You can easily tackle this project yourself and save even more money. Now you might be thinking paint is important, but is it really that big of a deal? Let me tell you a story. I once viewed a property listed way below market value. The walls were painted this interesting shade of purple. It was like walking into a grape. A few weeks later, the same property was relisted with light gray walls. They bumped up the price by $15,000 and it sold within days. That's the power of perception, my friends. Alright, let's talk kitchens, people. We all know the kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, the place where families gather and memories are made. But let's be real. Renovating a kitchen can cost as much as a down payment on a small island in the Pacific. The good news is, you don't need to go full-on Property Brothers to make a huge impact. Simple, budget-friendly updates can go a long way in modernizing your kitchen and attracting buyers. Think about it. A fresh coat of paint on those tired cabinets can work wonders. Replacing outdated hardware like knobs and pulls can make a world of difference. And let's not forget the backsplash. A stylish backsplash can add that touch of personality and sophistication without breaking the bank. We're talking about hundreds of dollars in upgrades, not tens of thousands. And the return on investment? Up to 80%, my friends. That's because these small updates make a huge difference in the eyes of potential buyers. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, my kitchen is so outdated even a fresh coat of paint won't help. Okay, I get it, but minor updates can breathe new life into your kitchen and make it shine for potential buyers. You're aiming for a refreshed, modern look that appeals to a wide range of tastes. The same principle applies to selling your house. Present it in the best possible light to attract the most buyers and get the best price. Drop it in the comments. Alright, let's be honest. Nobody wants to walk into a bathroom that looks like it hasn't been updated since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. We're talking about those bathrooms with the pink tile, the chipped porcelain, and the faucets that barely work. But fear not, my friends, because just like with the kitchen, you don't need to spend a fortune to transform your bathroom from drab to fab. A few strategic updates can make all the difference. Think about it. A new vanity can instantly modernize the look and feel of your bathroom. Swapping out those old rusty fixtures with sleek modern ones can make a world of difference. And let's not underestimate the power of good lighting. Bright, well-placed lighting can make your bathroom feel bigger, cleaner, and way more inviting. The best part, you can easily tackle these upgrades for under $1,000, and in many cases even less. And the return on investment, we're talking nearly 100%, people. That's because a well-maintained, updated bathroom is a major selling point for potential buyers. Now, when it comes to bathroom updates, it's important to keep things timeless and neutral, just like with the rest of the house. Avoid going too trendy or specific with your choices, as these can quickly look dated. Stick with classic designs and colors that will stand the test of time and appeal to a wide range of tastes. Remember, you want buyers to be able to envision themselves relaxing and unwinding in your bathroom, not wondering what decade they've stepped into. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget about the little details. Fresh towels, a new shower curtain, and maybe even a fancy soap dispenser can go a long way in creating that spa-like atmosphere that buyers love. But stay tuned, because coming up is an upgrade that's even easier than a bathroom refresh and might just surprise you with its impact. We're talking about a simple change that can make your house feel brighter, more modern, and way more appealing to buyers. Alright guys, let's talk lighting. You know, that thing that makes or breaks the ambiance of a room, and when it comes to selling your home, the right lighting can be a game changer. We're not talking about those fancy chandeliers here, but something far simpler and cheaper: LED lights. Think about it. Good lighting makes a space feel bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. Now, who wouldn't want that? And the best part is, switching to LEDs doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, it's one of the most affordable upgrades you can make with a huge return on investment. These days, you can find LEDs in all shapes and sizes to fit any fixture. Plus, they last way longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, meaning buyers won't have to worry about constantly replacing them. Trust me, buyers notice these little things. It shows you care about the little details and have kept the home updated. That's peace of mind they're willing to pay for. Now, when it comes to LEDs, there's a whole debate about color temperature. Do you go for warm white, which has that cozy, inviting feel, or cool white, which is brighter and more modern? Honestly, there's no right or wrong answer here. It all depends on the overall vibe you're going for. Personally, I'm a fan of warm white for living spaces and bedrooms. It just creates a more relaxed atmosphere, you know? But for kitchens and bathrooms where you need good task lighting, cool white can be a better choice. Think about it. Would you rather chop veggies under a warm yellowish light or a crisp white one? But hey, this is your chance to get creative and experiment. See what works best for each room, and don't be afraid to mix and match. Remember, the goal is to create a bright and welcoming environment that potential buyers can see themselves living in. Are you team warm lighting or team cool lighting? Let us know down below. When was the last time you walked into a house and didn't immediately look down at the floors? Flooring is one of the first things people notice. Stained carpets or scratched hardwood leave a bad impression. affordable options can transform your space. Luxury vinyl plank is durable, easy to install, and looks like real hardwood. Refinishing hidden hardwood floors can work wonders. A little sanding and stain can add instant value. Before you rip up your carpets and install new floors, avoid these common flooring mistakes. Don't choose flooring based solely on trends. Go for timeless options like neutral-toned hardwood or tile. Don't neglect the subfloor. Check for damage or unevenness and fix it first. Get creative with your flooring choices. Use different materials to define spaces. Imagine a renovation costing less than $200. Alright guys, let's talk about a renovation that might not be the sexiest, but it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Attic and basement insulation. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound as exciting as a kitchen remodel or a bathroom spa, but trust me on this one. Proper insulation is like giving your house a warm hug. It keeps the warm air in during the winter and the cool air in during the summer, which translates to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to save money on their utility bills every single month? It's like having an extra side hustle just for having good insulation. But here's the kicker: insulation can actually increase the value of your home. Buyers love seeing that a house is energy efficient. It shows you've taken care of the property and that they won't have to shell out extra cash every month on heating and cooling. Now you might be thinking, insulation? How much of a difference can it really make? Well, let me tell you, it's more than you think. In fact, adding insulation is one of the home improvements with the highest return on investment. We're talking upwards of 100% or more. Think of it this way. You're not just making your house more comfortable, you're making it more valuable. And when it comes time to sell, you can bet that buyers will be willing to pay a premium for a house that's already got this essential upgrade taken care of. It's like having a secret weapon in the real estate game. And the best part is, adding insulation isn't even that expensive, especially when you consider the long-term savings and potential return on investment. You can hire a professional to do it, or if you're feeling handy, you can even tackle it yourself. There are tons of resources and tutorials available online to guide you through the process. Alright guys, let's step outside for a minute. Literally. We're talking outdoor spaces. And no, you don't need a pool or a full-blown outdoor kitchen to impress buyers. Think of it this way. You're selling a lifestyle, and who doesn't love the idea of enjoying their morning coffee on a beautiful patio, or hosting a barbecue with friends in their spacious backyard? Even if you're working with a small concrete slab, a little bit of love can go a long way. A fresh coat of stain, some comfy outdoor furniture, and a few strategically placed plants can transform it into an inviting oasis. Remember, buyers are looking for that move-in ready feel, and a well-maintained outdoor space screams just that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Landscaping? Isn't that expensive? Listen, you don't need to hire a fancy landscaping crew. Simple things like mowing the lawn, trimming the hedges, and adding some mulch can make a world of difference. Believe it or not, landscaping can offer a significant return on investment. A well-maintained yard can increase your home's value by up to 15%. That's like adding thousands of dollars to your sale price just by doing some yard work. So ditch those overgrown bushes and get to work. Remember, a little sweat equity can go a long way when it comes to selling your home. Alright, we've arrived at the grand finale, the renovation hack that's so simple, so budget-friendly, you'll kick yourself for not doing it sooner. We've all heard the saying, don't judge a book by its cover, but let's be real. First impressions matter, and when it comes to selling your home, those small details can make all the difference. You ready for this? The most cost-effective renovation is, drumroll please, updating your hardware. That's right, we're talking doorknobs, cabinet handles, hinges, even those dated faucets. I'm talking about a few $100 max to give your entire home a cohesive, modern feel. Think about it. When you walk into a house with mismatched hardware, it screams this place hasn't been updated in decades. But swap those out for sleek, modern fixtures and boom! Suddenly your kitchen feels brand new, your bathrooms look luxurious, and your entire house just screams, buy me! It's all about perception, folks. By focusing on the small details, you can elevate the entire look and feel of your home without breaking the bank. Trust me, this is one renovation hack you won't regret. There you have it, folks. 10 budget-friendly home renovations that can significantly boost your sale price. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to make a big impact. From boosting your curb appeal to creating an inviting outdoor space, these simple upgrades can make all the difference in attracting buyers and maximizing your profit. So which renovation are you most excited to tackle? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-saving real estate tips. Until next time, happy renovating.